Hello students, today we are going to discuss the third numerical of influence line diagram for support reaction. Question is written as the series of loads 1 kN, 8 kN, 2 kN and 10 kN are moving on a simply supported span from right to left support. It is shown here. Determine the maximum possible reaction at left support with details of the location of series. Span of beam is 15 meter and center to center distance of load is 2 meter. It means that the span length is 15 meter and center to center distance between loads is 2 meter. Now we need to find the maximum possible reaction at left support and details of the location of series. Okay. Now for finding the maximum support reaction, that is RA, we need to plot the influence line diagram for RA. For plotting the influence line diagram for RA, we need to lift the support A by unit amount and the resulted deflected shape will be the ILD for RA. Now for finding the maximum reaction at A, we need to place at least one load on support A. So we had put the first load, that is of 1 kilonewton at A, and rest other loads will be behind the 1 kilonewton load. Okay. Now for finding the value of vertical ordinate x, y and z, we will use the similar triangle property, that is 1 by 15 is equals to x by 13. Okay. So from here x will be equals to 13 by 15. Similarly, y will be equals to 11 by 15 and z will be equals to 9 by 15. Now for calculating the value of RA, we need to multiply this load with the vertical ordinates. So 1 into 1 plus 8 into x plus 2 into y plus 10 into z, we will get the value of RA. Now we will put the value of x, y and z here. So it will becomes 1 into 1 plus 13 by 15 into 8 plus 11 by 15 into 2 plus 9 by 15 into 10. We will get RA equals to 15.4 kilonewton, which is our first possibility. Okay. Now the next load is of higher magnitude, that is 8 kilonewton. So the second possibility will be when 8 kilonewton is at A. So 1 kilonewton is moving ahead of A, so it will not be counted in the calculation of RA because it is ahead of support A, which is outside of the simply supported beam AB. So we can compute the value of x and y from the similar triangle, that is 1 by 15 is equals to x by 13. So x will be equals to 13 by 15 and y will be equals to 11 by 15. Now for finding the value of RA, we need to multiply the load by the vertical ordinate, that is 8 into 1 plus 2 into x plus 10 into y. By putting the value of x and y here, we will get equation as 8 into 1 plus 2 into 13 by 15 plus 10 into 11 by 15. So RA will be equals to 17.06 kilonewton. Now from first possibility, RA will be equals to 15.4 kilonewton and from second possibility, RA will be equals to 17.06 kilonewton. Hence second possibility will give the maximum reaction at A. It means that we need to place the 8 kilonewton load at support A. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.